First at 4, Bexar County leaders want to address domestic violence. Thousands of backlog cases are finally being worked through, but the county is looking for ways to improve the process of helping victims. KENS 5's Troy Kless has the details on a new study assessing the court system in Bexar County. Troy.
Yeah, that's right, Audrey. Bexar County commissioners approved a 3-year study that will evaluate how law enforcement and the courts respond to domestic violence cases, and they are hoping an outside perspective will give them ideas on how to handle these cases in the future. And domestic violence is an issue impacting more people than you might think.
The scales of justice carry a heavy weight. In Bexar County, many families are impacted, according to Marta Pelaez of Family Violence and Prevention Services.
1 in 3 women will suffer abuse in her life. That is how large the problem is.
Families may find themselves waiting for help from the courts.
It stands to reason that that system be considered to declare what it is that they're doing right, what it is that they're not doing right.
But the map to getting justice is complex to some. Mike Lozito is director of Bexar County's Office of Criminal Justice. He has seen firsthand victims' frustrations.
One of the things that came out of the survey of the victims was they felt let down by the system.
The county approved 2 outside firms to conduct a 3-year study of the justice system. One of the issues that will be focused on is the backlog of domestic violence cases. In December 2021, more than 6,000 cases were pending. That number dropped to more than 3,000 cases in September 2022. The county added 2 impact courts and hired victim advocates and investigators for the DA's office to address the problem. Lozito hopes this study can offer additional short-term and long-term solutions.
So we may have the staffing, we may have that, but then there may be other things that need to be added.
Added to cut down on the number of victims.
There is a lifetime, possibly, of abuse that has occurred before that fatality occurs. That is also what we're trying to address.
In the first year, the study will evaluate civil cases, protective orders, and divorce. Now, according to SAPD, domestic violence murders dropped from 2020 to 2021, and they are low at this point compared to other years as well. Reporting live in the studio, Troy Kless, KENS 5. Audrey.